have been asking me, Mr. Excellency, what will you do to the youth of Nigerians? I have promised the youth already. Turn all the so-called Yahoo boys, turn them into experts in creating and manufacturing chips for that Dazan.
Hello people, it's your boy M.O.P, mouth of the people comedian. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What I'm bringing to you is what you usually go to your doctor for consultation. Remember to watch the video to the end. It will benefit you.
I am so happy to be here. It is a thing of joy that we are here to celebrate with one of my sons. Put your hands together for M.O.P. Clap for M.O.P. While I was about coming, they said, and I'm coming to Port Harcourt, and I heard that we have a lot of people here. Equequeno. It's a question. And I also heard that M.O.P invited some Benin people. Baba took by A lot have been going on. They are telling me, I will be the president, I will Emelokan. It is my turn. Even Buhari, who put Buhari in power? Me. I'm also a city boy in Lagos. That's my name. He came to me crying. I told him, Buhari, don't cry. I'll make you the president. Today is he not a president? Buhari failed with Jonathan. You know what they call F11? When somebody fails all the courses, F9. He failed. Then Atiku will come and be speaking Muslim. Walai, talai. He is trying to tell you people, na lie, I lie. So when you see Atiku say, walai, talai, tell him, na lie, you lie. People have been asking me, Mr. Excellency, what will you do to the youth of Nigerians? I have promised the youth already. Turn all the so-called Yahoo boys, turn them into experts in creating and manufacturing chips for that Dazan. A dead fish is not sweet in the soup. They are dead, and we share them. They say there's no job in the country. Who said there's no job? employ more than 50 million youth. Put them in the army. What to eat will not be the problem. Our farmers will make more money. Cassava, gari, and I keep telling people, I see a lot of people that are short. They are behind. But one thing is for sure. No matter how short you are, when you get out, you see the sky. The past government, they spent more than $60 billion. They forget that the transmission line is a super highway. They couldn't even make a down payment for a roasted corn. They are talking about electricity. We brought electricity to Nigeria. We are even yet to generate electricity to even roast barley. $60 billion they couldn't pay for a kilowatt energy to even make a popcorn. I belong to a party. Every day they're asking me, what's your party? What's your party? What's your party? Where's the DJ? DJ, play a song for me. I want to dance. Stop the song. Stop the song. The stage is shaking. It's shaking. A lot of you have graduated for long and you are still working. But when I come into power, it will be 4 years course for 4 years job. 7 years course for 7 years job. That is why we have a lot of dropouts, graduates outside. Let me tell you. I want to tell you a story. The story is about the animal kingdom. All the animals say na their wife bad pass. The tortoise, the lizard, the frog come. Can't say na him own, na him bad pass. All our oppositions na their own bad pass. When I traveled, before I leave, let me say this. That whatever you are doing, you should understand that the sideways is different from when you look upward behind. And we have come here today to celebrate. M.O.P saw a lot of horse. He didn't take us there. He brought us to a town hall, different from Bala Blue, Blue Blue, Bulabai. Thank you.
I told you. I be no one proud because now you see that you enjoyed the video. So to make other people enjoy what you just did, remember, I take God in the beg you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.